WebStarts allows you to save groups of elements as templates, which can help streamline the website creation process. By creating groups of elements and saving it as a template, you can easily reuse the grouped elements on other pages within your WebStarts account. Here's how to save a group of elements as a template. From the page editor, establish a parent element. This is usually a box or strip. For this example, I'm going to use a box. I just drag the box where I want it to appear on my page, and then I'm going to resize it. There are a couple of things I want to change about my box, for example, the color, the border, and the roundness of the corners. To adjust those, I click the attached style icon and make the aforementioned changes. The next thing I want to do is place some child elements into my parent element. Child elements can be things like text, images, icons, and dividers. For this example, I'm going to drag an icon into the parent element, which is the box, and then I'm also going to drag some text into the parent element as well. Notice when I dragged child elements into the parent element, the attach element message is displayed. Now that the elements are attached, I can click on the parent element and see a save icon. Clicking this icon will save my grouped elements as a template. I can then access my grouped elements templates from the sidebar under the My Designs drop-down, simply dragging them onto my page. Saving groups of elements as templates is just one of the many ways WebStarts makes creating a custom website fast, fun, and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.